creator and how to promote your app or promotion. So really quickly, we're going to go over the promote tab. So when you click here, it's going to bring you to this screen. The store URLs, this is going to be relevant after you've actually published your application. So you go through everything, you make it. Once it's published, you're going to get a URL here for the iOS store, and for the Android store, you just save that. Okay, cool, you leave that alone. That's going to give people a direct link to your application, but this isn't really relevant to your users. Okay, just more for you and for you to share amongst other people yourself. The QR code. So this works at any given time while you're working on your app and after. So for example, certain things don't work on the previewer when you're doing the editor as far as the feature goes. So if you want to test certain things on your actual phone, all you have to do is download a QR code scanner on your phone, and then you can also download this image here by clicking. All right, it's going to come down here, and then once you download, you're going to pull it up. It's going to give you this image. You can share this image anywhere you like, and when you scan it, it's going to bring up your app on your phone. Okay, so that's another cool way to test your application or to share before it's actually been published. All right, I will talk to you in another tutorial.